Hello guys, let's make Ofe Owerri. I've been watching Joseph Pot and I feel like eating it. And since I can't buy from Joseph, I decided to cook it. So I have my okazi air there and I have dry periwinkle, no fresh one. Then I'm adding liver. This is a frozen liver. I have cow leg and I'm going to add some beef in it. Then the next one is my smoked mackerel. See, no no native soup without this grill mackerel. So I have everything ready and I wash my meat. Under it I have the stockfish head, the cow legs. This is because this one's cook this one will get ready last, so when it's under it's going to cook faster. Then I'm putting onion. There have been series of debates whether onion belongs to native soup or no. Do you put onion in your native soup? As for me, I just do what I like. I enjoy putting onion in mine. So I've added onion, my salt. I'm also adding a little bit of garlic because I want the meat to taste very good. Then I added my pepper. I'm using only two because it's a very hot pepper. Then put my crayfish. No bouillon cube. You can add if you want. I believe it's not very good for us, so I don't use it. So after putting everything, I added water and allow it to start boiling while I start peeling my cocoyam. So after peeling the cocoyam, I'm just going to wash it, then put it straight into the pot. Instead of cooking it differently, it saves time and save me some gas too. So I just wash it and I cut it into small pieces, then wash and put inside the pot and allow it to cook. In the next 10-15 minutes it will cook. So while that is cooking, I'll prepare my oha. This oha is only few that are very fresh, but what do? We manage it. So after preparing the oha, I got my cocoyam, added oil to it and blended it. Then I put more water in the pot, add my blended cocoyam, add my beef liver now. See, the beef liver I added it last because it doesn't take time to cook. If you cook it for a very long time, it's going to be super tough and you're not going to enjoy it. So next thing is my vegetables. So I added the okazi, periwinkle, nest, then mix it, allow it to cook a little bit because these ones are tougher. Then I added the bone mackerel fish. The soup is almost ready, so I gently mix it so that it doesn't break, but somehow it will still be breaking. So I let it boil a little bit to release the flavor in it. Then I added the oha. Oha is the last thing to add. Oha is the last thing I added. Then I turn it. The soup is almost ready, guys. The aroma, the obstacle. God, this is a very big pot. This soup is going to last for a very long time. Then I added last crayfish as a final touch up to make everything bang, bang, bang. What are you going to eat with this? Fufu or gari? No, to me, fufu would be the best.